There are countless methods for earning money online, but not all of them are viable. This channel was created for you to learn how to earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars passively. In today's video, you'll see something that could have a financial impact on you. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use this website. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do it first so you can see how fantastic this website is for producing anywhere from $500 to $1,000 in passive income. Simply follow along as I lead you through each step in this video. So this website is a corporation that offers a variety of trainings and workshops, including business photography and Adobe cameras, but both of which fall under the category of art and design. This is a really legitimate offer and website that could help a lot of people. By introducing individuals to all of those specialized programs, you may make a lot of money online. Not only that, but visitors to this website may have a great time while learning a lot. So once you're on this website's homepage, scroll down to the very bottom right and search for this category over here, Join Us, and you want to see here, Become an Affiliate. And then click on this link to go to this website where you can learn about the affiliate program and how you can make money by connecting your audience to better content. There are numerous reasons to like and appreciate today's website. One of the reasons for this is that you get a massive 30% income share. In the online world, 30% is a lot of commission, and they offer a wide variety of programs and courses that you can promote, making it very flexible and providing multiple earnings opportunities. The second reason I like the affiliate program is that your affiliate links will be tracked to a 30-day period. You can now begin receiving your unique affiliate link and advertising them in order to earn commissions after signing up for a free account with their affiliate network. Apart from that, in addition to the first 30%, you may collect money on all purchases made by your suggested customer within 30 days of the first click. So make sure you don't miss out on any of this information as I lead you through everything step by step. If you liked this video, please like and share it with your friends. If you liked it, please subscribe using that red button and leave a comment down below. It would be fantastic if you like it. Subscribe, switched on the notification bell, and left a comment below. We'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can get money doing easy things like this if we get 1,000 comments on this video saying I'll make money in 2022. So if this video receives 2022 likes, we'll release a fantastic brand new film that may be even wilder than this. So with that stated, it's time to get back to work and earn some money. Let's pretend you're selling these courses right now, such as Fundamentals of Photography, and you can see the price is $99. From there, you can profit 30% of the first $99. That is, after all, your very first front-end commission. Furthermore, if your recommended consumers decide to purchase, for example, the first course, Adobe Photoshop, or other courses in the music and audio category, or simply move on to purchase any other different courses within 30 days, you will still be compensated. That's insane, right? Many consumers now return to our website and make further purchases after enjoying and learning a lot from the high quality of the instruction based on my personal experience. They are now offering a significant discount, which you can see here. It's a limited time offer for new students to save $99 on their first course purchase when they use the code WELCOME99. By persuading people to click on your affiliate links, you can get free traffic to your website. This will result in a large number of people purchasing courses through your link, and you will profit significantly more. Check out creativelive.com right now because they're offering a large discount. One piece of good news that I'd like to share with you is that this website is accessible from anywhere in the world. To join their absolutely free affiliate program, all you have to do is click the sign up button. You'll be directed to a page where you can learn more about the affiliate program, which consists of a 30% commission on the front end and a 30-day monitoring cookie. Fill in your username, password, and country in this part when you reach to the bottom of the page, and then type in your password to complete your registration. It's actually rather simple and takes only 5 minutes. So without further ado, let me show you some of the possible ratios available on the website. Now, if you click on Courses and then All Classes, you'll be sent to this page where you can see that there are a total of 2,102 classes from which you can send free traffic to a certain online class, which brings us to the following problem. What's even better is that you can direct them to some free training and free courses and classes on this website. And if your customers on traffic enjoy the free training, many of them will go on to purchase all of these online classes because they're on sale, and a lot of people will love them and make a purchase and earn a commission right away. Take for example, this Foundations of Photography course. I can watch this video, determine the true cost, go through all of the details including pricing, and read a lot of customer comments. Another popular category is Adobe Photoshop, which has a large number of consumers ready to purchase these classes and begin learning about photo editing right away. With that, I've shown you how to gain free traffic to your affiliate links. Twitter is quickly becoming a powerful tool for attracting free visitors and making a lot of money. To get started, simply go to twitter.com and create a free account. Now, because Twitter is essentially a form of social media, a lot of people come here to ask a lot of questions, and they can receive a lot of focused traffic from individuals who want to learn Adobe Photoshop. So for example, when you head over, enter to how to use Adobe Photoshop as a keyword, and then press the search button, many people are asking, how can I learn Adobe Photoshop in the comment section below? Adobe Photoshop tutorial. For example, this person asking, can you teach me how to use Adobe Photoshop? Some of them are only attempting to create something with Photoshop, but they still wish to improve it. They're merely seeking for an Adobe Photoshop training session. And guess what? You won't have to spend any money to earn from this strategy because it's all highly focused traffic. Quora, another well-known website, generates a lot of free visitors, recommendations, and commissions, and it works in a similar way to our Twitter technique. You may search on Quora by typing terms like how to be more productive into the search bar because Creative.com offers these types of classes. Self-improvement, entrepreneurship, photography, money, and finances are a few examples. And the key is to cast a wide net. You may, for example, utilize Twitter to promote numerous Photoshop lessons and camera instructions, or simply go to Quora and find people who are interested in financial and self-improvement topics. You can widen your horizons and reach a bigger audience this way. The majority of individuals are interested in graphics and design. Therefore, you can easily persuade them to enroll in various classes under the art and design category. You may use graphic design, logo design, and other works. Furthermore, the revenue potential ratio is endless. It is accessible internationally. It is absolutely free, and it comes in a variety of categories or classes. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.